Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of unlocking your full potential and achieving the ultimate fitness transformation. You see, the journey towards physical excellence is not just about lifting weights or running on the treadmill. It's a holistic approach that encompasses both body and mind. It's about setting goals, pushing boundaries, and embracing challenges. Now, let me share some key principles to help you on your path of transformation. First and foremost, self-belief is absolutely crucial. You have to believe in yourself and your ability to achieve greatness. Without that confidence, it's hard to overcome obstacles and push through the toughest workouts. Next, it's vital to set realistic, yet challenging goals. While it's tempting to shoot for the moon, it's important to have achievable targets that will keep you motivated along the way. These goals will serve as beacons, guiding you towards a better version of yourself. Another fundamental aspect of your transformation journey is consistency. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a fit and healthy body. Discipline and consistency in your training program, nutrition, and rest are essential. Remember, small, consistent efforts over time yield tremendous results. Moreover, don't forget to be kind to yourself. While discipline is vital, it's equally important to listen to your body and give it the rest and recovery it needs. Embrace self-care activities such as yoga, meditation, or simply taking a walk in nature. These moments of rejuvenation will help you maintain your physical and mental well-being throughout the process. Lastly, surround yourself with a positive support system. Find like-minded individuals who will uplift and motivate you when you're feeling down or tempted to give up. Their energy will fuel your determination and help you stay on track towards your fitness goals. With these principles in mind, you have the power to unlock your full potential and achieve the ultimate fitness transformation. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, trust the process, and watch yourself evolve into the best version of you. Now go out there and unleash your inner strength.